Hey there, today we're going to show you the different ways files can be reduced in size. And tell you what's best for each file type. So, what exactly is happening when you hit that compress or extract button? Well, it's like a game of monkey see, monkey do. The compression algorithm looks for repeated data and replaces it with shorter codes. It's like if we replaced every banana in this video with nana. We'd save a lot of breath, and you'd still know what we're talking about. There's two types of compression, lossless and lossy. Think of lossless compression like a monkey's memory. We remember every detail, every banana, every tree branch. It's all there, just packed away more efficiently. Lossy compression, on the other hand, is like a monkey's diet. We love bananas, but we can't eat the whole bunch at once. So, we take a bite here, a bite there, and the rest, well, it's sacrificed for the sake of our waistline. Imagine if we replaced all the similar shades of yellow in this banana with just one shade. We'd save a lot of data, but the banana might not look as tasty. That's lossy compression for you. Here's a quick example of a lossless versus lossy image. So, what compression is best? Well, it depends on the situation and file type. For images, videos and audio, in practice, quite often there isn't much discernible difference between lossy and lossless. Just the size of the file. If you want to ensure the image comes back the same, then use PNG. So feel free to use JPEGs, MP4s and MP3s. None of your friends will be able to tell the difference. We want to use lossless when we are storing multiple files and want them back exactly the same, such as a directory. Sure, it takes a bit of monkey muscle to open it up, but the reward is worth it. That's where we use formats like ZIP, 7Z and RAR. Files come out the same as when they went in. Next time you're going bananas over big files, remember, there's always a way to squash them down to size. And if you're still lost in the jungle of archiving software, don't worry, your favorite tech monkey is here to guide you. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.